Hey guys, John here with Kraus. Today we'll be installing a vessel sink. For this video, we'll be using a Viva Thin Ceramic Sink, but these instructions can be used for any Kraus vessel sink. I personally love this style because it's super easy to install and gives any bathroom that powerful wow factor. Let's get started. For this installation, you'll need a drill, a 1 3/4 inch hole saw, safety goggles, a pencil, a tape measure, and silicone caulk. Now place the vessel on the desired location of the countertop, ensuring that there's 3.5 inches from the back side of the countertop to the edge of the vessel sink. And with a pencil, trace the inside of the drain hole. With the assistance of a tape measure, mark the center point of the circle you just traced. Now, using a hole saw, align the pilot of the bit with the center point of the circle you just drew. Now, on the underside of the vessel, apply a bead of silicone to the outer edge. Carefully position the sink, aligning the drain hole with the hole you cut in the countertop, and orient the logo facing towards you. Install the pop-up drain according to the manufacturer's instructions. Next, install your P-trap. Install your faucet. We recommend using a Kraus Vessel faucet for a clean and coordinated look. Finally, check for leaks. That's it. It's that easy. The Viva series comes in many different shapes and colors, all with a non-porous, easy-to-clean surface. They're guaranteed to give you that style that you've been looking for. If you run into any trouble, do not hesitate to call Kraus customer service. Thank you for watching.